Hi, my name is Kat. I am the Community Outreach Dietitian with Lee Health Coconut Point, and today we're going to be making a hummus dish. And this is great to bring to holiday parties. We're going to start with a pan of canned chickpeas. Now you do have the option to make this with fresh chickpeas. What you would do is take the dried chickpeas, go ahead and soak them overnight, and then the next day they should be ready to use after you boil them for a little bit. We're going to go ahead and put in a couple garlic cloves. You can add more garlic if you love garlic. We're going to squeeze about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Delicious. So there's many different variations to hummus. Some people make it with tahini, some people make it without tahini, and what tahini is just a sesame paste. If you don't have sesame paste, you can use peanut butter. Again, everyone makes different variations. A lot of people have sesame allergies, so you can always leave it out. We're gonna go ahead and add the yogurt in here. We have a little cumin. And then we have about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I may add a few more at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and process this. Once we have our base hummus here, you can just go ahead and add roasted red peppers. You can add a pumpkin for a nice holiday pumpkin hummus. You can do a lot with hummus.